Hi, this is Peiffer Elementary in Jefferson County School District. We are reading a whole book together as a school. We've been studying about our brain this year. So here it goes. We're going to read about your fantastic elastic brain. Stretch it and shape it. What does your brain really do?
Does it fill the space between your ears? Well, yes, but your brain can do so much more. Your brain helps you think and remember and name what you see and what you hear. It lets you move your body and feel, both touch and emotions.
Your brain does all the things that make you, you.
I like red too. My favorite word is oval. I know global landmarks. I like science. I like hardwoods. We are all so unique.
So what does your brain really do?
Is it a muscle?
No, the brain is an organ in your body. It's made up of cells and tissue.
The brain controls everything you do. Everything you think, everything you feel, even everything you dream. The brain has many parts that do all kinds of different jobs. Cerebrum, prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, amygdala, cerebellum.
That's the brain.
Alexis, I have an important question for you.
Okay.
What is 2 plus 2?
W.
No. Angelina, what's 2 plus 2?
1, 2,
V. No, guys, no. It's 4. Use your cerebrum to think and to help you learn your math skills. Okay, 1 or 2,
4.
Yes.
The cerebellum is a small part in the back of your brain that helps your muscles to coordinate your movement and balance so that you could walk, ride a bike, or play tag.
You're it. I'm not playing. Prefrontal cortex, PFC for short, is part of your brain behind your forehead. Lets you plan and make decisions. Hey Nick, 1 or 2? 1.5. Oh.
Which hat should I wear? I should have thought of this sooner. This is your prefrontal cortex.
We could hang up some streamers,
And
put the
maybe-
DJ stage right
Maybe
there,
a snack bar over there.
and lay out the red carpet.
Yep.
The amygdala is a tightly packed group of cells located in the center of your brain that controls your emotions. Excited, angry, embarrassed, frightened, sad, and happy.
Have you ever forgotten something and no matter how hard you tried, you just couldn't remember it?
That's where your hippocampus comes in.
It's like a filing cabinet for your brain, so
That's where all your memories go. There you go. They are your freckles.
Neurons are everywhere in your brain.
they're tiny brain cells that make electrical signals.
To send messages to other cells in your body telling them what to do.
Neurons are cool.
When you were born, you were very little. Your brain was small and not so strong. As you get older, your body grows and gets stronger. As part of your body, your brain grows and learns to do new things. And you can make your brain do even more. Your brain grows very fast during the first 10 years of your life. This is the magic decade when you can help your brain grow faster and be more powerful. Just like lifting weights helps your muscles get stronger, learning new things strengthens your brain. You can give your brain a good workout by trying to learn many different things. Like elastic bands that stretch when you pull them, even things that are hard at first, that you don't do or that you don't do very well, get easier when you just keep trying. Think about the first time you played soccer.
You probably couldn't kick the ball very far or make many goals.
But as you keep going to practices, you learn more about the rules of the game and follow your coach's directions.
The muscles in your legs and feet got stronger. Your movements were coordinated and you could run farther and faster.
Learning more and practicing what you learned makes you play better and have more fun.
Practice really does make perfect. At least much better.
At least much better.
Even when you're making a mistake while learning something new, you're still training your brain.
This is a legacy.
You will remember that mistake and try something else until you get it right.
Making mistakes is one of the best ways your brain learns and grows. If you aren't willing to risk being wrong, you won't take the chances that will stretch your elastic brain. You can stretch the part of your brain that controls your feelings too. If you are frightened about taking a risk like learning to swim, finding the courage to put your face in the water, stretches your amygdala.
It will remind you that you overcame your fear, so you'll be braver the next time something scares you,
Like diving into the water. Learning something new causes the brain to grow more connections on the neurons. With more connections, the neurons can send and receive more messages. These connections help to stretch a part of your brain and make it more elastic so that it can hold more information and ideas.
How does the brain stretch and grow? Neuro means that the word is part of something that has to do with the brain.
They sculpture molds,
Shapes. Carve things out of clay, or wood, or stone.
So shape your brain by making it bigger, by adding new things you know and can do. You are a neurosculptor!
When you learn
or kick a ball.
The different parts of your brain work together when you're learning something new.
The amygdala makes you want to learn to play the piano.
The cerebrum helps you decide to practice. The cerebellum calls up the memory of watching and listening when your piano teacher shows you how to play a new piece of music. Then your cerebellum sends messages through neurons to the muscles in your wrists, hands, and fingers so that you can hit the right notes. The next time you play a new piece of music, the parts of your body and brain will know how to work together, and you will play the song more easily.
The brain that makes you really is an amazing organ. It controls what you think, do, feel, and remember.
Your brain is growing very fast during your first 10 years of life. And now we know that you can help it grow.
When you try hard to learn something new, connections grow from neurons and attach to other neurons. Then your brain can send messages faster, making part of your brain bigger and stronger. Until you figure out the answer to your problem, you are shaping a more elastic brain. When you learn new things that build on what you already know.
Look at those neurons. And the more different kinds of things you learn and think about, the more you can learn, know, and enjoy. The harder you try without giving up, the more you will learn. You can really train your brain to be fit and strong and to keep stretching and growing throughout the whole year. So, we want to tell everybody to grow.